Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna make a fruit salad with fruits that I love and that are in season. So let's go to see the ingredients. The ingredients for this fruit salad are 1 cup of kiwi peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of green grapes sliced in half, 1 cup of strawberries cut into bite-sized pieces, and 1 cup of mangoes peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to combine all the prepared fruit in a large glass bowl. We add the mangoes, the strawberries, on this point, we can mix all the fruits and serve, but I'm going to do a honey lemon dressing. This is going to elevate the flavors of the fruit and it's so good. For this honey lemon dressing, we add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And we combine all this. Now I'm going to put all the dressing over the fruit and gently stir to combine. Now serve all the fruit on a martini glass. And if you want, add more dressing and enjoy it. And now I'm going to taste this. All the fruit. Delicious. Thank you.